First, check the 4-inch test box to ensure your pattern is printed at the correct scale. Trim the edges of each page along the cutting lines before assembling the pattern. Match the page edges and tape them together to assemble the pattern. Cut out the pattern pieces. Prepare your fabric for cutting. Fold the fabric in half, right sides together. Place the pattern on the fabric and pin in place. All pattern pieces are cut and ready. Let's start sewing. Take the strap pieces, fold each one in half lengthwise and press. Stitch along the long edge and one short edge, leaving the other short edge open. Trim the corners, turn the straps right side out, and press flat. Now, prepare the shoulder straps. Fold the shoulder straps in half lengthwise and press. Stitch the long edge and one short edge, leave one end open. Trim the corners, turn the straps right side out, and press flat. Now prepare the main bodice. First, fold and press all 4 edges to the wrong side for a neat finish. top stitch all 4 folded edges. Now, mark the strap placement. Using the pattern as a guide, mark the shoulder strap and back tie strap positions on the bodice. First, place the back tie straps on the marked positions. Stitch the back tie straps in place. After that, place the shoulder straps at the marked positions and stitch them in place. Your top is now complete and ready to wear.